Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Acura, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Acura TLX. So right now the customer complaint is the oil leak. So I inspect the engine. Now the only leak is a valve cover leak. You can see all around the gasket is old, it's worn out, and it's starting to leak the oil. Now to replace the valve cover gasket, the first thing I did is I disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, and then I remove the top cover right here. It's all 10 millimeter, and then once you remove the cover, you're gonna get to all the ignition coil. You're gonna press on the tab right here and then pull back. For the ignition coil, it's a 10 millimeter. Remove it, and then for the connector, the harness, the whole harness right here, this is for the compressor. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press on this tab right here, press on it and pull, pry out the clip right here on the bracket. The alternator connector, you're gonna press on this and pull, take out the 10 millimeter on the bracket, 12 millimeter on the alternator. Move the whole harness to the side, and then on the side here you're gonna pry out the bracket that's hold on to the wire, sits on the valve cover. Same thing for the back right here too, the big harness. You're gonna pry out the clip, move it out off of the valve cover. For the PCV line right here, I press on the little clamp right here, push it back, remove the hose. This one, same thing, pull the clamp back, remove it off of the hose right here. And then for the front, O2 sensor, take this little cover, O2 sensor, press on this tab, pull, it's connected to this like this. You're gonna press on this tab, move it off of the bracket. And then from there, after that, you gotta disconnect the purge valve connector too back here. So move the harness all the way to the back, and then you can start hitting all the 10 millimeter on the valve cover. You can see all 10 all around. And then I use the flathead screwdriver, shove it in here and pry it up, pop it up. It's kind of sticky because of the spark plug gasket in here. So once you remove that, come out here. Once you remove all the bolt, it should come out like that. There you go. And this one, I'm also doing the oil change too. I'm gonna clean out all the gasket that's on the sitting on the valve cover. You can see a little old gasket right here, all the silicone. Same thing to the back too, right there. You can see scrape those out, clean out the surface all around. For the surface, I wiped down the oil and everything. I cleaned it out. I scraped out the corner right here where all the old silicone is, and then I'm gonna apply new one right here, and then on the timing cover. Now here's a problem for this one. For the valve cover gasket, they only sell the outer piece. When I looked it up on my computer, they only sell the outer piece of the valve cover gasket. They do not sell the inside one, the spark plug seal. For this one, for some of it, they have the 2 bolts that's holding on to the spark plug tube seal, but this one does not come with the 2 bolts. So when I flipped it over, there's no bolt on this side. You can see this one is pressed on, and then when I called the dealer said we do not sell the spark plug tube seal only, we sell the whole valve cover with it. And I was like, that's stupid. And then I let the customer know about it, and then the customer said no, he denied it. He didn't want to do the whole valve cover, just a gasket only. But I asked for the parts for the valve cover. It's gonna cost around $230, and that's for the whole valve cover with the spark plug tube seal. So they do not come with the for this model, they do not come with the spark plug seal. And then for the square piece right here, this is my old piece sitting right here. This is the part number for it. And then for the valve cover gasket, this is the part number. Now I'm just gonna put silicone on all the corners, and then I'm gonna slap my new one in. I put the silicone on the half moon on the corner, timing cover, and the back too. And then I put my new gasket in. For the spark plug tube seal, I inspected. There's no rip, there's no crack at all. Still in okay condition, so I'm just gonna slap them back into the engine. Make sure you put a little bit of grease on the tube seal, so that way it slides in easier. Got everything back on already. Tightened down all the valve cover bolt. If you wanna know the torque spec on this, this is the 10 foot-pound, or if you do it by hand, just feel it where it gets tight. Tighten it down like my hand, just when it gets tight, and then just do about a quarter turn, 1/4 quarter turn, and then that'll be around 10 foot-pound. And then don't forget the small tube right here in the back of the valve cover. Put back the wire on the valve cover bracket. Let me put them back. Popped out. There you go. And then the big harness. Put back the PCV hose right here, and then all the connector on the alternator, compressor, battery cable, and then O2 sensor, and then reconnect your negative terminal on the battery. Now I'm gonna do oil change on the car. This is a 17 millimeter. Ooh, that's dirty. Filters in the front, and then let it drain out. Now everything's completely drained out. My new filter, I put a little bit of new oil on the gasket. Clean the housing. Just hand tighten, not too crazy. There you go, that's good. So get it too tight and then just snug it a little bit. That's it. There you go. Wipe the oil. This one takes 0.20. I'm gonna put in my 0.20 full synthetic. This one takes exactly 5 quart, 2.4. So I put in 5 quarts already. I'm gonna check the oil. Now you can see it's a little bit over high, but the oil filter is gonna take down a bit, so this is perfect. Since you took out the battery and put back the negative terminal, when you trying to turn on the car, it's gonna tell you this, but you just gotta follow the screen on top. Hold the power button for 2 seconds. That's it. Everything's back to normal. Press enter. Where's enter? Where's enter? There you go. Press enter. Everything's back to normal. Full. Go back on the screen. There you go. That's back to the normal screen. So I just turned off the car. I'm gonna key back on again to reset the oil light. Now you're gonna see it says maintenance due on the screen. I'm gonna press enter, and then I'm gonna go to setting. It says please wait. Come on, hurry up. So you're gonna press on setting. You're gonna go to vehicle setting, press enter, and then you're gonna scroll down all the way to maintenance. It says maintenance reset right there. Press reset. Go up. Press reset. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna go back. Turn off the car. Turn it back on. The message should go away now. So that's it. Yeah, the message went away. So that is it for this video, guys. So just a valve cover gasket replaced and the oil change. You can see the oil change says 100%. So that is it for this video. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.